Hello my loves, it's Kasha, Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be working on my wellness section, which is two planners, the meal planner and the actual wellness planner. If you are joining me for the first time, welcome. I hope you like it here. If you are coming back to my channel and spending more time with me, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. I am doing the spread with a sticker book called Fab and Fearless from Agenda 52. It's really beautiful book, and I'm just going to use it. It has lots of little elements that I can use in spreads like this where the room is a bit more limited, especially if you're writing as much as I do. So that room is kind of limited, like I said. Okay, so I'm placing some stickers down, some girls down. They are super cute. And I want to incorporate some of this floral washi to bring floral elements into this planner. So I'm going to go ahead and choose happiness. So this is a different piece of washi. I just don't have one long enough from that book to apply it. Don't apologize for being fabulous. Like, look how cute these are. And then there's some girls like on couches and stuff that I'm going to add as well. Maybe I can add her sitting right there with a coffee. Yeah, I think this is super cute. Okay, so I'm gonna add small elements like meal prep and stuff like that into this spread, like date night. This book seems super small, like when you look at it, but I mean, I think this is the third spread I'm doing with this, and I still have so many stickers left over. So it's quite interesting, like how little stickers you really need to fill up a planner. It surprises me all the time. So right now I'm just putting some flags over the writing to add even more color, so then I can write breakfast, lunch, dinner on these. It's not going to be as pretty, but at least it's going to be colorful, right? So I'm going to add that yellow to the side, since yellow is so bright and it pops so big. So breakfast, lunch, dinner, same thing on the other side. Okay, now we're going to be adding a few more elements. So adding maybe a couple circles like this with girls, get it done. A lot of these things don't apply to meal planning, so I'm just kind of working around the stickers that they do have. We can do celebrate. Not that I'm celebrating anything on the 13th, but celebrating life each day pretty much. So there we go. Okay, now all of these little squares that I have, not with the money sign but with the asterisks, I will put those corners and additionally just to have a little additional pop of color to balance everything out. Sometimes you just need a tiny sticker to just add enough color to balance it out. Like, look how different that corner looks with a yellow sticker inside of it. Okay, so let's add this doggy. Let's see if I can add maybe a couple tiny little things because it looks like I'm missing just a bit. Maybe just tiny flowers. Let's see. Maybe this will do the trick. Okay, that actually made a bigger difference than I think. Okay, I think this looks pretty good. So I'm gonna give myself 1 second of a break and I'll be right back so we can actually meal plan in this. Okay, so let's do this. So for breakfast, I usually have either a smoothie, a bagel. In the summer, I prefer smoothie or smoothie bowls because they keep you nice and hydrated, and you get a serving of fruit and veggies or both, depending on what it is. Sometimes I will do overnight oats or chia seed pudding. All of those things are fantastic. And for lunches at work, I usually do like a power bowl or leftovers. Those are usually the easiest things for me to do. So sometimes I will cook up a bit more dinner so I can have leftovers, but if one of us ends up eating it, then I just take a power bowl to go. And they're usually like quinoa bowl or something like that, which is great. Okay. For dinners, I made myself a cheat sheet in the meal planner where I wrote a lot of possible meals. And then this way I don't have to think of new meals all the time. I can just kind of refer back and do a quick planning. So there we go. And then let's plan breakfast for the other side of the week. So we have more smoothies on work days. The smoothies are much easier to manage, and then you just throw the blender into a cleaner or you do a self-cleaning on those and you're done, which is amazing. And even on weekends, like I said, those smoothies get a little bit more fancy, so I'll do like a smoothie bowl and then go from there. So same thing here with leftovers or power bowl, because like I said, during work week, that's the easiest for me. Okay, so now dinner. So I'll do grilled chicken and a salad. And on Friday, I can do well, I'm out with friends. I don't know if I'm going out on Saturday or Friday, so one of these dates will be out. So that's Father's Day, so we'll be doing brunch with one and then dinner with the other. So then I don't have to meal plan for Sunday. But I think I am good. Grilled potatoes and protein. Sometimes when I don't know what we're gonna be eating, I just put protein and that's good enough. So now I'm gonna go into my actual wellness planner and plan this week really quickly. So same week, June 13th through the 19th, I decided that I think I'm gonna be using the same book for the weeks that I am planning. So my wellness and my meal planner will have the same sticker books used and kind of be uniformed. So my wellness looks very similar, especially because these are such a different layouts. So the needs of stickers is completely different. So I'm just adding a few of decorative boxes. I think that's a lot of fun to add into planners. And I want a mix of both dark and light so it's balanced. I think that's awesome. And then one more. Let's add this lovely washi. And then I can add a flower one on that side. Look how pretty this is. This reminds me of designs from a rifle paper company. I don't know if you guys know what that is, but they used to make really beautiful things and really beautiful prints, and that's kind of what reminds me, because a lot of times they had a darker background. Okay, so now I'm going to be adding that little decoration to there, and then adding just little things here and there throughout the spread to make it fun and beautiful. So we have a bookshelf with some books on it. And then I'm adding this little girl with a dog. Let's see what else I can add. I love, like I said, I love the sticker book. It seems like there's not that many stickers, but the amount of stickers is quite tremendous. Family time, since it's Father's Day. We'll do Let's Brunch, because why not? Look how cute that is. Then I'm gonna add this girl on a couch right there. I'm gonna allow enough space to write on all the days, so this kind of works out. And then this week, I'm looking for some headers to add. Girls' night, day off. Okay, I'm trying to decide what to do. I need another header on the side to kind of balance it out. So I'll just add busy, and then let's see what else I can add. Maybe I can add these flowers and kind of balance it out. Let's see. Sometimes it's as simple as that. I still need something bigger on Monday or Wednesday to balance everything out. So I will add this flower pot that's larger, like so. There we go. And these smaller flowers kind of spread all over and bring balance to my spread. Okay, I'm gonna pop this back in my planner and write out breakfast, lunch, dinner on this, and I'm pretty much done with the spread. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't entered my giveaway, please do so. There's so much stuff I'm giving away. I hope you guys can use this and enjoy it. And thank you so much for joining me as always. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.